When I would do good, evil is always present with me. O wretched man that I am, who will free me from this body of death? Thanks be to God through Christ Jesus. I'm ready for the fight of my life. Start the record.
Gospel world, setting it up for the man upstairs. Gospel world, Goose, yeah. You're not just gonna sit back, watch me sing and do my thing. Beware the way I phrase is radical. Your heart just might skip one beat. Everybody say praise. Oh yeah. Cause once you start, you won't quit now. Oh, come on, yeah. I know what you came expecting. Something of the norm. Normally when you hear the word gospel, hymns are what you're looking for. How many know that tradition can be bad as well as good? So for the message to reach the multitude, let's come together and I dare you to. Your seeds and let him use them right now. Come on, hey.